A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me so. You want to get the power for rule? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And of course, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, now at the best time if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today me I go read from the letter we name Revelation chapter 2 from verse 18 to verse 29. Write the letter here. Send go get the leader for the church we in a Thyatira. Tell him say, Father God, boy pitney, the one who for eye them shine bright like one fire we are blaze. Who for foot them shine bright like bronze where them burn in a fire. Forget out all when of in a it and where them rub till it shine. Him say, me know how uno live. Uno love one another. Turn up strong for when you believe. Serve one another and turn up strong and no give up when you did go through enough trouble and crosses. Matter of fact, you do enough more now than when you used to do when you did just get saved. But me still have sin against you. You put up with a woman there, Jezebel. We call herself one prophet. She used the sitting them where she a teach fi trick me servant them fi take part in a sex sin and fi name food where they take burn sacrifice give false God. Me give her time fi change her ways and fi show say she sorry for the wrong way she a do. But she hard is and no one give up her sex sin them. So me a go lick her with terrible sickness and make her suffer. And all who sleep with her, we are know her husband. If them not turn away from her wickedness and show say them sorry for what them do, I go lick them with terrible sufferation too. Me I go kill off or follow them. Then all I church them, we find out, say me are the one we search out everybody mind and heart. And for all we know I do, I go pay no back when no forget. Now, this is when I tell the rest of you when they are Thyatira. Uno, when now follow the liar sit them, where Jezebel a teach, and we don't know nothing but what they call the secret sit them, where Satan show them. Me now put no more pressure upon you know. Me only want to hang on upon what you have till me come. Anybody will beat the devil and not give into the sitting them where he want them to do. And go and do what me want them to do till the end of the world. Me I go give them power to rule over the people them will live in the other country them. The way how him a go rule them hard. Him now go take no pity upon them. Him a go broke up all who go against him in a peace. Same like how somebody take piece of iron pipe and broke up one clay pot. And same like how me get the right for rule from my father. Me a go give them power for rule. Me a go give them the star we shine bright when they are light. For sure, say them a winner. All who can hear, better listen good where the Holy Spirit has said to the church them. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.